Okay, hello, hi, and welcome to my channel Super Linux. Please subscribe and like our channel because this video is very important. And to even follow us for anything new coming from us. In this video, we're going to tell you how to connect your USB web camera. Okay, maybe for example, if you have a telescope like I do, you can see the telescope right now, and it does not have any possibility to have like by itself from itself. Okay, there's no access point built in, there's no Wi-Fi built in that camera. It's not an IP camera even. So you wanna convert it to an IP camera. So again, let me show you how this is done. Okay, so this is my telescope, Astro Master 130Q. This is the SV Bunny USB camera. Okay, it's connected to the telescope. This is SV Bunny 105. It does not have to be the SV Bunny 105. Okay, any USB camera that can be detected by your phone. Okay, here for example, and I'm using here on the phone an app called IP Webcam Pro. You can see the telescope is or seeing or is pointed at some far palm tree. Okay, there, see. So yeah, and the other long tree there, you can see it there in the middle. Okay, so this is what the phone is showing. Okay, using an app called IP Webcam Pro. Now this application is for $5 only. It's very nice, very good. By the way, I'm not making an advertisement for it, but it's worth the dollars that you're gonna pay. Okay, I'm serious. Okay, this will detect all the phone devices that's listed on your Android operating system on the phone. And here you see the connection how it's done. It just works on normal USB 2 connection, but here there's a conversion between the USB 2 and the USB-C. Okay, and the telephone can see it. Now for the configurations, you can simply, like by going back here, okay, we can go to the video preferences. The main camera, as you can see, is the camera of, okay, is the camera of the SV Bunny. Okay, now you just change the main camera to whatever you have. You can see many. Okay, here. Okay, so select the one that that you can notice it as a USB camera. Now with the IP Webcam Pro, you just start the server and it will start broadcasting everything. You can use the IP listed over here. Not this one specifically, see what's written over here. Okay, and copy it exactly verbatim onto your browser, and just you can start watching. Okay, play with the buttons, okay, on the web browser. Now you can even broadcast this to Facebook by adding to the same link listed over here, slash video at the end. Okay, just add a slash video at the end. Okay, you can even copy it from the browser when you see the browser version of IP Webcam Pro, and submit it as a media source to OBS. Okay, to OBS Studio or whatever application that can do the same thing of OBS, and you still can start streaming this camera. Okay, any camera you can do it the same way. So you can see here with me, if you want to give you an idea, see, this is the telescope is shaking. So this is OBS, as you can see. Okay, and this is the camera, and just to give me a second to get you the configurations. Let me pause the video. So you can notice here, okay, I could have made like a screenshot of the video and, you know, like with you using OBS, but this is direct. So I added here a media source, okay, over here using the plus sign over here, okay, and then here where I write the whole IP of the phone plus the whole link, okay, slash video like I told you. Okay, please remember to lower the network buffering. There's no reason to make it network buffer directly, it's internal. So, and that's it. And you can add as much as you want of cameras this way, okay. For every webcam you will be adding a phone for it, and the phone will be added on the OBS, and OBS will do this thing, the job. Okay, and thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.